Question 7a, we need to draw a circle around all of the following fractions that are equal to 0.6. So the first thing that would be useful is to change 0.6 into a fraction. Because the 6 is in the first column after the decimal point, that means it's 6/10, or we can write that as 6/10. So we can see straight away that we've got the fraction 6/10. So what we need to see is if any of these other fractions can also be changed into 6/10. 12/20 can be cancelled down to 6/10. 1/6 can't be. 9/15 could be cancelled to 3/5 because they're both in the 3 times table. This can now be multiplied by 2 to also get 6/10. 5/20, if I wrote that over 10, we'd end up with 2.5. So that is not equal to 6/10. So we have those 3. Part B, we want to shade 75%. You should know that that's the same as 3/4. Now my shape has 8 pieces in it, so I want to change this fraction so that it's over 8. I've doubled the denominator, so I have to do the same to the numerator, 6/8, so I need to shade in 6 of these 8 pieces. Part C, we need to say what fraction of the following shape has been shaded. So the numerator of my fraction will be the number of shaded rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The denominator of my fraction will be how many rectangles there are in total. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across. So if I do 5 multiplied by 8, that tells me how many rectangles in total, which is 40. You could, of course, just count all the rectangles and you would have 40. To simplify this, they're both in the 10 times table, so I can divide the numerator and the denominator by 10 to give my answer in its simplest form for the second mark, which is 1/4.